Welcome to this lesson on how to manage your Logicim affiliate account. In this video, we will see how to activate your affiliate account, fill in the necessary information, and start earning money. First, head to the Logicim website at www.logicimtech.com and click on Login. If you have not created an account yet, click on Register and complete the registration. From the Login account, enter your credential and click Login. This will take you to your account page from which you can manage everything. Click on Affiliate. Then click Sign Up. Read the affiliate agreement, then click I agree. The next step will be to fill out your address and bank information so that we can pay you your commission by direct deposit. Click Save to save your information. The payout schedule details the monthly sales you must reach to have a given commission percentage. The easiest way to register sales in your name is to use your personalized link. Put this link on your website or in your emails. Whenever someone clicks the link and makes a purchase, it will be registered to your affiliate account. Alternatively, you can give your affiliate code to anyone before they make a purchase. When they get to the last page of the checkout process, they can enter it and click Apply. You cannot use your affiliate code for purchases you make for yourself, but you may use it to make a purchase for someone else. From your account, fill in your cart and complete the checkout process as usual, then enter your affiliate code and click Apply. You will be notified that you cannot purchase for yourself and be offered to enter the email of the final recipient. Make sure this person created their account on our website before proceeding. Click Apply to confirm. You may now complete the purchase. The payment will be made from your account, but the content of the shopping cart will be transferred to the end-user account. As all products carry a 30-day money-back guarantee, you will receive your commission payment 2 months after the sales. For example, you will receive your payment in the month of May for all sales made in March. For any questions related to your affiliate account, please contact affiliates at logicimtech.com.